In this video, I'll be taking you through the steps involved with doing a custom scan on the Odyssey DLx or CLX. So with the acquisition software open, click on Scan, choose your username from the list, and then choose your instrument. Now, most of the time, this will just have a single instrument listed, so go ahead and click on Connect. Going to click on Custom. So this is where you can choose your assay. So if you have to make changes to one of the preset assays, you can choose that here, or if you just want complete control over all parameters, click on Other at that point. Click and scan the area for use. Now, you can also click on Edit Scan Area at this point to manually enter this, and just enter those values and click Save. And then click Next. You choose which wavelengths you want to use. We're going to do both channels right there. You can select your resolution, going from the highest resolution of 21 microns up to the lowest resolution of 337 microns. You can choose scan quality. This is essentially the scan speed. This is very similar to what we had in Image Studio. You can set the focus offset, and then you can also choose between manual or auto settings for the intensities. And if you are going to use the manual settings, most of the time you would start off at about 5 and make adjustments depending on what your image looks like at that point. And then go ahead and click Start Scan. So the image will come up as it's acquiring, and it will also give you the estimated time remaining. Now, once this has completed, you see we have the option of doing an export to analyze or export for publish or presentation. Now, if you have scanned multiple areas and you want to export all of them together, just leave that checked. Or if you want to do them individually, uncheck that, and then transfer those to your own computer for analyzing using Imperia. And then if you do have more scans that you want to do, go ahead and click Start New. Otherwise, if you are done, just go ahead and click Leave to return to the main menu.